Perfect. Just aim and shoot. Okie doke. Ready for the chicken? Let the chicken begin. Bear with me.
The following is a selected video from yourteacher.com, where you can browse over 450 complete math lessons with example videos, interactive practice problems, self-tests, and more. Try a complete lesson today at
I may have to
yourteacher.com.
change the settings on the monitor, but I think I've let the grade see. Can you see that all
Start
right?
this problem by
Yes.
changing the -3
Let's just watch and see what he
to
does.
plus
Same type of
a
question.
-3. To find the common denominator, notice that we must factor y squared minus 3y minus 10 as y minus 5 times y plus 2. So we have 5 over y plus 2.
Sorry. Let me start that back up here a little bit. I should have known last period when I picked up a pen, like, the world came to an end.
Great.
Okay. I guess that
To find the common denominator, notice that we must factor y squared minus 3y minus 10 as y minus 5 times y plus 2. So we have 5 over y plus 2 equals 13 over y minus 5
See, now he
times
does
y
his
plus 2
factoring kind of as he goes
plus
with it.
negative
We
3
kind of listen it
over
down.
y minus
Take
5.
the denominators and split them up.
You can see that our common denominator is y minus 5 times y plus 2. So we multiply both sides of the equation by this common denominator.
And this is a little different how he does the equivalent fractions. That's the main differences between what he does and the way I do it. Kind of looks like it saves time, but he's actually doing a couple things.
On the left, the y plus 2's cancel, so we have 5 times parentheses y minus 5. On the right, in the first fraction, the denominator cancels out entirely, so we have 13. And in the second fraction, the y minus 5's cancel, so we have minus 3 times parentheses y plus 2.
Notice there's no denominator.
Distributing
there
through
at
the
this
parentheses,
point.
we have
Fractions are disappearing.
5y minus 25 equals 13 minus 3y minus 6. And solving from here, we find that y equals 4.
Mr. Bittner, would you call...
Notice that back in the original problem, the variable y appears in the denominators. In this situation, we must plug our answer of 4 back in for all the y's in the original equation to see if it makes any of these denominators equal 0. If it does make a denominator equal to 0, then 4 cannot be a solution to the equation, so the answer would be the null set.
I.e. no
Fortunately, in this problem,
Different
it
ways.
does not make any of the denominators equal to 0, so 4 is an acceptable answer. Remember, always check to see if your answer makes any of the denominators equal to 0 for every problem in this.
All right. Freeze this. Freeze. All right. This isn't that much different from the last problem that I put up there for you. What he's done here, now this fact, I can't write here because I got that frozen. If I pick the pen up and unfreeze it, then the screen disappears like it.